In this video, I'll show you how to create a League of Legends account quickly and easily. First, go to the official League of Legends website. If the page loads in a different language, you can change it from the top menu to your preferred one. I'll select English on the EUW server. Next, click on Play for Free. From there, you'll be able to download the game. Since I'm already logged in, I'll log out to show you the full process. Once you click Play Now at the top, you'll see the option to create a Riot account. Just click Create One and you'll be taken to the sign up page. Here, enter your email address, choose a username, and set a password. That's it. Your account will be ready to go. Keep in mind that this is a Riot account, so you can also use it for other Riot Games titles like Valorant. I hope this helped. If it did, consider leaving a like and subscribing. It really helps out. Thanks for watching.